Now the exercise number 14. Following is a statement of profit and loss of Padma Limited for the year ended 31st March 2018. Calculate the operating cost ratio. Statement of profit and loss is given. Particulars amount. Revenue from operations 15 lakhs. Other income 40,000. So total revenue is 15 lakhs 40,000. Expenses. Purchases of stock in trade 8 lakhs 60,000. Changes in inventories 40,000. Employees benefit expenses, salaries 1 lakh 60,000. Other expenses 1 lakh 70,000. So total expenses is 12 lakhs 30,000. Profit before tax 3 lakhs 10,000. Notes of accounts given, that is particulars and amount. Other expenses includes office and administrative expenses 50,000, selling and distribution expenses 90,000, loss on sale of furniture 30,000, that is 1 lakh 70,000. In the other expense, other details here. Now we can move to the problem. We have to find out the operating cost ratio. What is the formula for finding operating cost ratio? Operating cost ratio is equal to operating cost by revenue from operations into 100. This is the formula. Okay. Here, look at the question. In operating cost, there is only revenue from operations. The revenue from operation is rupees 15 lakh. Okay. Now we have to find out operating cost. For finding operating cost, there is another formula. Operating cost is equal to cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses. Operating expenses. Okay. Here you have to find out the cost of revenue from operation. Okay. There is no value given for the cost of revenue for operation. So we have to find out it. Okay. For finding cost of revenue from operation, you have to add purchases and change in inventory and direct expenses. Direct expenses. In your question, the purchases is 8 lakh 60,000 and change in inventory is 40,000 and there is no any direct expenses. So, it's not need not to add. So, the total is 9 lakhs. Okay. Now, you find out this is the cost of revenue from operation. Okay. Now, we have to know the operating expenses. For operating expenses, what is the formula? You have to find all the operating expenses. In your question, there is salary is there, other expenses given, office and administrative expenses, selling expenses given. Okay. And like that, employee benefit expenses also given in as a bracket in salaries 1 lakh 60,000. So you have to add all these items, that is all these accounts, that is salary 1 lakh 60,000, office administration 50,000 and selling and distribution 90,000. Okay. Operating expenses is equal to salaries plus office administration expenses plus selling expenses. Okay. Now we have to write all this amount. The value 1,60,000, then 50,000, then 90,000. If you add all this, we get 3 lakhs. Now we can apply the formula for this. Operating cost 3 lakhs, and you have to find out the operating cost, the cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses. So here this is the cost of revenue from operation. Operating cost is equal to 9 lakhs plus 3 lakhs. Okay, then you get rupees 12 lakhs. This is operating cost. Now we are going to apply the operating cost ratio. Cost ratio for this, the amount is 12 lakhs divided by revenue from operation is 15 lakhs and into 100. Then what will be the answer is 80%. Listen here, 2 அடிச்சிட்டோம், இங்கே அடிச்சோம், இங்கே 2 அடிச்சோம், இங்கே 1, இங்கே அடிச்சிட்டோம். Okay. Now answer is 80%.